If you've decided to create additional streams of income that leverage your current skills, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be taking you through some of the tasks that a general virtual assistant does for their client, be it a solopreneur or a small business owner or a business owner that has multiple businesses. Email management will probably be the most important task that this virtual assistant does. That could be anything from flagging emails as they come in to checking the inbox several times a day to make sure that those flags are on the email, also alerting your client that there's an important email in their inbox if they haven't yet seen it in several hours. You could also be doing calendar management. That includes taking information from emails and making sure that those meetings that are confirmed in an email are actually calendared. That's what the nickname for it is. So just making sure that it's not only on the client's calendar, but the Zoom link or whatever link that the client will be joining on is also in the email, as well as any pertinent information that they should be aware of to inform them prior to the meeting or during the meeting. So I would put those notes in the description box of the calendar invite. Next, online research. So that could be given to you through an assigned task as an assignment. So you'll just be doing what you normally do in your everyday life when you're doing research online. So that's the transferable skill that I love. Data entry, so any information that needs to be put into spreadsheets, that will be something that you would handle. Preparing and editing documents. So when you're onboarding a client, if they don't have an automated system to do this, you would probably be the person to make sure that the new clients, email address, contact information, anything pertinent to the contract details are in the contract, as well as the invoice, just making sure all those administrative pieces of the puzzle are done. That will be your role, as well as working on spreadsheets. A lot of times reports are conducted through the data from spreadsheets, so you will probably also be running reports, creating presentations, slide decks in Canva or Google Slides, as well as just making sure all documents are correctly stored and organized. And that will probably also be a part of what you'll be doing in terms of email management, things that important documents that are sent by email, making sure that that's put in the appropriate area so that they can be found either in your filing system or in the inbox. And then as your client begins to trust you more and more, they may have you be the front facing person of their business. So that could be anything from not just managing the inbox, but actually replying to prospective client emails that come through, be it from the contact form on their website to them just sending an email. You could also be liaising between current clients on behalf of your business owner clients. So just any of those emails, you will probably be handling those in the inbox as well, just to keep things streamlined. With that said, see my links on how we can work together, or if you prefer DIY options on how you can supercharge sales in your business, that's also available. Thank you for watching.